Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders and my dear students. Number theory class, unit number 5, theorem number 12. Again, this is a short answer question. If P and Q are distinct odd primes, then the legend symbol P by Q is equal to the legend symbol Q by P. If P is congruent to 1 mod 4 or Q is congruent to 1 mod 4. In other words, P or Q is of the form 4k plus 1, and this value becomes equal to minus legend symbol Q by P if P is congruent to Q congruent to 3 mod 4. That implies P or Q of the form 4k plus 3. Now by corollary 1, just now we have proved the legend symbol P by Q into Q by P value equal to 1 if P is congruent to 1 mod 4 or Q is congruent to 1 mod 4. In other words, P or Q will be of the form 4k plus 1 and the value equal to minus 1 if P is congruent to Q and congruent to 3 mod 4. That implies P or Q are of the form 4k plus 3. Now case 1, let us say that P is congruent to 1 mod 4 or Q is congruent to 1 mod 4. Then the product of legend values P by Q into Q by P equal to 1. Now multiplying this equation with the Q by P value, legend value on both sides, we have P by Q into Q by P whole square equal to Q by P. Now Q by P whole square value becomes equal to 1 because even if Q by P equal to minus 1, Q by P whole square becomes minus 1 whole square means 1 only. So finally we have P by Q into 1 equal to Q by P. So finally we conclude that whenever P and Q are odd numbers, then P by Q legend symbol value is same as legend value symbol Q by P whenever P is congruent to 1 mod 4 or Q is congruent to 1 mod 4. That means P and R Q are of the form 4k plus 1. In the second case, suppose P is congruent to Q congruent to 3 mod 4 implies the product P by Q into Q by P equal to minus 1. Multiplying both sides with Q by P on both sides, we have P by Q into Q by P whole square equal to minus Q by P. And because we have Q by P whole square, just now we have seen that is equal to 1, because even if Q by P value equal to minus 1, Q by P whole square value becomes minus 1 square, which is equal to 1. Therefore we are having that is P by Q equal to 1, P by Q into 1 equal to minus Q by P. Therefore P by Q equal to minus Q by P, bracket P by Q. Therefore whenever P and Q are congruent to 3 mod 4, we are having legend symbol P by Q equal to minus legend symbol Q by P. So finally we conclude that the legend symbol P by Q value is equal to legend symbol Q by P whenever P or Q of the form 4k plus 1 and this value equal to minus Q by P whenever P and Q are of the form 4k plus 3. Thank you for watching this.